Okay, so this is part A of this video where we're given temperatures. We're given a percentile and we want to find the value that corresponds to it. We did these two in the previous video. We're going to do these two next. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is find the ninth decile. The ninth decile, same thing as the ninth percentile. So L, which is right here, is 90 over 100 times 106. 90 is the percentile. This is how many day values I have up here, and there's 106 altogether. If I multiply those, divide and multiply, I get 95.4. That is not a whole number, so I round it up to 96. And then again, make sure you don't stop there. You want to count up here and to see which one is a 96 value. So this is the first, second. You want to go up to the 96 value. So there's 10 in each column, so that's the 10th, 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So this is a 96 value, 98.8 degrees. Okay, finally we're going to do this last one. This one's a little bit different because we get a whole number. We want to find the second quartile. Second quartile, same thing as the 50th percentile. So this is my K over 100 times 106. And this time it gives me a whole number. So this is a different one. And you will have some of these on the homework, so be careful. The 53rd value. Okay, so let's go down here. Is a whole number? Is L a whole number? This is the only time where it was, and you'll have a couple of these in the homework. It is a whole number. So when it is a whole number, what you're going to do is you're going to take the L value and the next value and divide by 2. And I'll explain why in a minute here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 53rd value, add to the 54th value, and divide by 2. So it's really the one right in between those two. Okay, so let's circle those two numbers, the 53rd and the 54th value. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. Okay, so this is a 53rd value. I'm just going to mark here. This is the 53rd value. This is the 54th value. So I want to take halfway between these two. So I'm going to add them and divide by 2. And we kind of tell, you can tell what it is. It's going to be 98.35. Okay, so that is the 50th percentile. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about why we do that, if you're curious or not. It goes back to, like, if you think about the second quartile, the 50th percentile, that's actually the median, if you remember. And here we have an even number of values. If you remember, the way you find the median is you take the two middle ones, if you have an even number of values, which we do. We have 106. You take your two middle ones. These are actually your two middle ones, right in the middle, 53rd and 54th, and you take the average right in the middle. So this is the same thing as a median. The 50th percentile, second quartile, is the same thing as your median. Okay, so that's it for this example.